If you are the child or grandchild of a Jamaican citizen, or if you're a Jamaican citizen who's now a dual citizen of the US, this video is for you. If you are applying for Jamaican citizenship, here are some questions that I've gotten frequently that might be beneficial to you. 1, can you use a photocopy of a birth certificate? No. Must you have the birth certificate for the Jamaican citizen? Yes. Do you need birth certificates for both parents? No. You only need one parent. Can you get it through your grandparent? Yes. Does your grandparent have to be alive? No. Can you get it through your great-grandparent? No, you may not. If your great-grandparent is Jamaican, then your grandparent or your parent would have to become a citizen before you become a citizen. If I am married to a Jamaican and I became a citizen, can my kids now become Jamaican citizens? Yes, your kids born to you, not to your husband, are eligible for Jamaican citizenship now because you're a citizen. If I were adopted by a Jamaican, can I become a Jamaican citizen? Yes, you are eligible for citizenship by descent. However, it must have been a legal adoption, not, somebody who took charge and was responsible for raising you. But an official adoption makes your parent a Jamaican citizen. This one might be the hardest one for people to believe when I tell them, can I send a copy of the birth certificate? And I've said it already. No, you may not. You need to get the original birth certificate. But if my parents and grandparents do not have their birth certificate, am I lost? No, that is why 876 Documents is here. We can assist you with a birth certificate, or you can get it yourself. You could have someone in Jamaica get the document for you and send it up to you. But the bottom line is you cannot apply without the birth certificate. Can I use my short form birth certificate? No, you must use your long form birth certificate. What if my birth certificate has an error? I think this is going to be a 2-part video. If any birth certificate in the equation has an error on it, the document cannot be used. Errors must be fixed. What if my grandparents did a name change when they went abroad, like persons who went to Cuba or Panama, Costa Rica, or United Kingdom? Can I still do it? As long as you have the official name change document, not proof that they used the name, but proof of how they came by the name, a court document, a deed poll, any of these official documents. If you need assistance with passports, birth certificate, citizenship by descent, we are here to assist you. I've been here for 7 years. I am Gail. Thanks for watching.